Hello YouTube. Welcome to my first my first voice tutorial in which I will be projecting my voice over the internet to teach you some cool stuff. Okay, seeing as this is my first voice tutorial, I thought it would be good to celebrate the occasion. So, I'm going to do something special today, using After Effects, 3ds Max and Boujou. Yes, as you might have guessed from the title, I'm going to be doing some 3D elements and then incorporating them into After Effects. So, down to business. This is After Effects, normal interface, all good. File, import, file. Wait for all these to load and import. Okay, this is our footage into a new composition. It's good, not a lot of motion blur, and good composition. Add to render queue. Set the output module to JPEG sequence because we will be using this in 3ds Max. Save this into a folder somewhere, and I'll call this folder, when it eventually opens, track, and call this raw. That's good, and click render. Okay. Okay. This is rendered. Now we can close this and go into Boujou. Okay, so here's Boujou from 2d3.com. It costs a lot, okay, but you know there are other alternatives such as Synthesize, PFTrack and Voodoo, but I don't like them, so we'll just use this. Let's go to import sequence and look for wherever you saved your sequence, and then apply and close. Now for this next bit you might not have to do it, but I do, so watch. Just altering the frame rate. Now click track features, change the sensitivity if you want, and I wouldn't recommend fast tracking, it's less accurate. Click start. Now you can click this little checkbox here and it will automatically solve your camera afterwards. Do that if you want, but I won't. Okay, that started. I think this is recording. Yes. Started. Dear oh dear. No, it's finished. So yeah, if you click that little box, then your thing would have solved, but I'm going to go through this. Right, that's good. Click start. Now, I'm not going to lie, this could take anywhere between 2 minutes and 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours. Depending on how much motion blur there is. Because if there is a lot of motion blur, the tracks will be less accurate, so it'll be harder for the computer to solve what is there, because there's less of it. Okay, so now that that's done, we can go and change the scene geometry, because if we import this into 3ds Max even, it will all be messed up. So go to scene geometry, add coordinate from hint. This is the origin, which is the middle. So select a point and connect one track. Go to add coordinate from hint and set this to be the y-axis, which is that way. So select these 2 points here, connect to selected, then something on the x, which is that way. So select, say, these 2 points, hold control to select another one, add coordinate from hint, x, connect. Now if we update the coordinate frame, you can see that it's pretty messed up. Don't worry, it'll work. Let's go back into 2D view and just select some tracks to be exported. Flag. Perhaps those. And maybe that. Go to export, camera, Max script, and just put it in wherever your stuff is, and call this track script. Export flag tracks only and scale by 100. Save. Then close this window and then go into 3ds Max.